Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 308, Predictable Monthly Releases. Back in tip number 263, I talked about how you can have your Power Pages website code updated sooner by enabling it for early upgrade. Microsoft recently announced some changes to the monthly upgrade process, so in this tip, we'll look at those in a bit more detail. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Previously, there were essentially two stages for the upgrade of the code running on the Azure web app powering your Power Pages site. First, any site enabled for early upgrade via the Power Platform Admin Center was done. Then, everything else. Our recommendation in tip 263 was to enable early upgrade for non-production environments, so that you could test it before it went to production. With these new changes, you won't need to do that. The change Microsoft announced was a new stage in the release process. The early upgrade process still exists, but after that, they'll update all of the sites in non-production Dataverse environments. Then, websites in production Dataverse environments will be upgraded the following week. This ensures that you'll always see changes in non-production environments first, unless of course you happen to enable a website in a production environment for early upgrade, which is generally not recommended. So, rather than grouping all non-early upgrade sites into the same bucket, they group them next by environment type, and they upgrade sites in non-production environments first. This is a great addition to the ALM process for the Power Pages site code. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 308 on predictable monthly releases useful.